So alright guys, we're back again. It's D.HIROTO. For today's video, I will show you my VZ chassis open class category. This one, I have test run for this in BRICKYARD, Makati. So alright. For a couple of weeks ago, this one is VZ chassis. This one is open class category. So let's start here. In my front bumper, I'm using sliding dampers, and I'm using 1312 double aluminum rollers. And I put 13mm plastic rollers here and above, so to support for curve and change lane. And then I put also underguard here in front. This one is yellow fluorescent underguard. This one is the small one because I'm using small diameter wheel set. And then I use this plate for support, so it won't wobble your car like this. But it's not totally supported, or it's not totally working that much. But for my perception, it's better to have than nothing. Alright, so that's why I put this. This one is FRP plate. This one is MS support plate. I put it here, above and under both sides of the chassis. And I'm using power dash. This one is 4:1 gear ratio. I use 4:1 gear ratio because of the layout in BRICKYARD Makati is I think is suit for 4:1 gear ratio. So that's why I put 4:1 gear ratio. And then for my wheel set, I use carbon small diameter wheel set for both front and back. But on my tires, I put sponge tires here in front. And for my back wheel set, I put super hard tires, this one. And then I'm using fully cowled HG carbon plate here on my back. And I'm using 13mm rollers. And this one is from FMA chassis. I put it here in the middle, so it will give you support also in change lane, so it won't dump like here in the racetrack. And then also I put a brake set. This one is HG carbon. So this one I race in WALTERMART Makati. the last previous race in open class and side race of BMAX GP. This one, the one that I use. So we'll just show you the quick run in Brickyard Makati. This one, I have test run for this before I race in WALTERMART Makati. So that's it, guys. I will show you some test run for this. Alright.